Good morning all. Today we are going to study a new chapter named motion in physics. In this chapter, first of all, we have to study about what is motion. Can you say what is motion? Yeah, it is right. If an object is said to be in motion, if it changes its position with respect to time, it means that with respect to time, if any object is changing its position, that object is said to be in motion. If an object does not change its position with respect to time, it means that that object is in rest. Now, we can study what is distance and displacement. Can you say what is the difference between distance and displacement? Okay, I will say. Distance, the length travelled by a body is called distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. What is a scalar quantity and a vector quantity? Scalar quantity means the quantity which has only magnitude. Now, what is vector quantity? Vector quantity means quantity which has both direction and magnitude is called vector quantity. Now, distance is a vector scalar quantity, and what is a displacement? Displacement means the shortest distance between initial point and final point is known as displacement. Distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement has both the direction and magnitude, and distance has only magnitude. Distance is the length travelled by the body, and displacement is the shortest distance travelled between initial point and final point. Now we can study the two types of motion. Before going to the types of motion, what is the SI unit of distance and displacement? Yeah, distance and displacement has same SI unit, that is meter. Now we can study the types of motions. The two types of motions are uniform motion and non-uniform motion. What is uniform motion? It is simple to study. Uniform motion means when a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time is said to be in uniform motion. That means in equal time. An example, in 10 minutes a car travels 20 km and another 10 minutes it again travels 20 km. Then next 10 minutes, next 20 km. That like same time and same distance, equal distance and equal interval of time traveling is called uniform motion. Now, what is non-uniform motion? A non-uniform motion means when a body travels unequal distance in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in non-uniform motion. For example, a car in a busy road.